will bring the real and the God. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, it's Reliance. And guys, so if you watched my last video, I made an outfit for my Valentine's Day photo shoot. So today we're gonna be having this shoot, and I just got my hair done, and yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup later on. But yo, like I am like coming up with kind of aesthetic that I want for this photo shoot because it's gonna be an in-house photo shoot. So I went right ahead to do some DIY roses. This is just one of them. I'm gonna be having like two of these. And now like the concept is to have the rose on a glass or something. I've got two glasses here. I don't actually know the one I'm gonna be using, but yeah, just gonna see how everything turns out. So first things first, let me show you all my jewelries and my outfits, just in case you haven't seen the previous video. So yeah, this is the outfit right here. It's a long dress, but y'all gonna be seeing what it looks like when I have this on. But this is what the dress looks like. For the accessories, I'm just gonna be going with all gold, just because I feel like gold is actually gonna pop right in this burnt orange dress. And then for a neck piece, I'm not actually gonna be wearing one because the dress actually has a neck piece that I'm just gonna be putting on or wrapping around my neck. So I'm just gonna be using this and then some rings. I don't know where I put them, but I'm just gonna go find it. So yeah, y'all, that is basically it. So the time is currently 1 p.m. This is gonna be an evening shoot, so I'm just gonna chill for a bit, and then probably right 6, I'm gonna start doing my makeup. This photo shoot is not just all about Valentine's. This photo shoot is also me trying to promote my brand and like model my like creativity and stuff like that. And guys, the dress that I made is an original. Like it is from one of my sketches. So I am so excited to like put this out there for y'all to actually see. So I'm gonna be trying out this two product. This is a foundation and then this is a concealer. So you're like, I am out of my foundation, so I want to mix this two to give him a perfect shade. This is darker and this is way light, and you're like, this is what I can do right now because my makeup artist is not available to start like doing my makeup for me. So we're just gonna see how this works. So we're just gonna try this here on our cheek. Yo, like this concealer is so bright. Yo, like I don't even know why I got it, but well, it's here. So okay, I think this is okay. Okay, let's see how this works. Like this is good. Yeah, this is like my actual shade. It actually matches my neck. I think this is okay. So yeah, definitely we can work with this. So, but I'm not gonna be doing makeup right now because it's still pretty much early and I don't want to have my makeup wear out on my face. I still want it fresh and clean for this shoot. So hey y'all, so my Valentine's gift came in pretty early and I decided to show you actually what it looks like. You're like, this is so cute. Like I didn't actually like peek in to see what is like inside of it because I wanted to show you all like what it is. I wanted us to open this together. We've got a rose. Okay, it just smells ordinary, but this is so cute. Like, I've never actually gotten a flower before from anybody. Like, this is so cute. It's not my favorite color, but like, this is so cute. Can y'all see this? I can hear something ringing. Can y'all hear that? The first thing we have right here is this lip gloss. You're like, she knows. Like, I am a lip gloss freak. Like, she knows. Like, guys. Oh my gosh. This is chocolate. I want to eat it, but I don't think it's edible. And I mean, even if it is, I don't eat lip gloss. It's so cute. I'm so excited because like now I have this in my lip gloss collection. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see this? This is in my favorite color, purple. She totally ate on this one. This is a little keychain with lip gloss. Yo, like this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, this is actually freaking me out. Is this like the whole Labubu stuff? Yo, like this is freaking me out. I'm just gonna take out the eyes because, like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm like, this is so cute. This smells like bubblegum. Like, this smells like the banana bubblegum. Like, if you're a Nigerian, this smells like that banana bubblegum. This is so, so good. The last thing here, oh my god, so cute. Oh my goodness, I just love me some cute stuff. Wow, this smells like flowers. This is so, so good. This is gorgeous. I got me my first Valentine's gift. So yeah, that is basically everything that she got me. And of course, I am also prepping her gift. Yo, like, this is a last minute preparation for her gift. We're just gonna come up with something that I can give her. Hi guys. So I already came up with a gift that I'm gonna be giving my homegirl and also my mom. The first gift I'm gonna be showing you is for my homegirl. So it's a cute little pink purse. So I got her this purse because she likes pink. So cute, so so cute. I really love this purse. Like, it is just so small, and y'all, like, this is like a lip gloss purse or whatever you want to put inside, but I know she's gonna like this. And I did put her like name here. It says Stels. Her name is Stella, but I call her Stels, so yeah. The next that I got her are these cute little phone charms. Yo, like, this is so so cute. This is in pink color, her favorite color. And guys, this phone charms actually matches the purse. So excited gifting her these two pieces because they are both in her favorite color, which is actually what I wanted for her. And yeah, for my mom, I actually got her this cute purse right here, y'all, because it's so cute. And of course, I can't skip her out of this. So yeah. You want to say hi? Hmm? Come here. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. So happy Valentine's Day, guys. So today is the 14th of February, y'all. Like, I am so excited. But anyways, y'all, so get ready with me. I already showered and dressed up, so I'm just gonna be doing my makeup for today while we chat for a bit. So like, for the past couple of days, I have been feeling like my day has been starting without me. And guys, I don't know if I'm the only one that actually happens to, y'all, like, because before my day starts, I've got like a to-do list, like, for the things that I want to do. And when I was little, I was doing laundries and stuff like that, so I don't actually forget what I'm gonna be doing that day. But yo, like, lately, I have been waking up abruptly, and I just realized that my day just starts without me. And then by the time I realize that, oh, I've got this thing to do, like, it is already known, y'all, and like the day is already gone. So I have been trying to adjust that because, like, it is very bad because then I have lots of to-do lists with things that I haven't actually done, which I'm supposed to do. Because you're like, I'm not a morning person, so whenever I wake up, I try to take my time to plan the day and what I'm gonna be doing and how it's gonna go for me. Yo, like, tell me I'm not the only one. It's basically like my day just started without me. And like, that is very weird. If you have been following me on my channel here on YouTube, I am a fashion designer, and yeah, I think I should do a little bit of intro. So I'm a fashion designer, and my name is Reliance Daniels, and I am currently based at Delta State. I was at Lagos and then I relocated to Delta State. So yeah, I make bespoke outfits, concentrate stuff, and then some ready to wear stuff, guys. And I have been planning on starting my online classes, y'all. Like, I'm gonna let y'all know the dates, but for now, I'm gonna be starting an online class. It's definitely gonna be in this February, but I'm gonna be posting it here on my YouTube, on my community, so y'all stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do that so you can actually see when I post it. It's gonna be a very affordable course, and you're gonna learn a lot from the course. I'm just gonna finish doing my makeup.
Time will bring the real end about you out. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you.
So guys, we're done with our makeup. makeup, and y'all, like, I decided to show y'all like the gift. So guys, this one is for my homegirl. Like, I am so excited to give this to her because she actually has no idea that I'm gonna be gifting her. But anyways, yeah, y'all. So this one is for my mom with a cute little nose. So yeah, I decided to show y'all like my outfit of the day. So this is my outfit, wearing this cute little top that I made, and then this pants also from my brand. So yeah, that is my outfit of the day. Hi guys, so I already got my makeup done, and I did not vlog that because I was kind of like in a hurry. So the time is currently 11. But anyways, so this is my outfit. This is the dress, and then this is the background I'm gonna be using for the concept and everything. So yeah, y'all go follow me on my Instagram and TikTok so y'all can actually see the final result of this, you know, photo shoot. So yeah, bye guys.
I just let you fade away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your victory.